I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan quesadilla updated. Start by warming a non-stick pan over medium heat and prepping fillings like mashed black beans, roasted peppers, and shredded vegan cheese so everything is ready to assemble. Layer fillings on a tortilla, fold or top with another tortilla, and cook until golden and the cheese melts. Let rest briefly, slice into wedges, and serve with dips for best results. Combine textures and spices to create vibrant vegan quesadilla fillings that hold together when melted. Try mashed black beans with cumin, roasted sweet potato with smoked paprika, or sautéed mushrooms with garlic and soy. Keep fillings moderately moist to encourage melting, but not soggy. Use shredded vegan cheese to bind ingredients. Finish with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lime to lift flavors and provide a bright counterpoint for serving. Quick recommendation: if you like prepping quesadillas ahead, consider leak-proof containers to keep tortillas and fillings fresh and spill-free during transport. They stack neatly, avoid leaks, and fit in backpacks for work or picnics, which makes meal prep simpler and less messy. If this ad was helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks everyone. Now let's get back to the video. Cook quesadillas over medium heat for even browning and melted cheese without burning the tortilla. Press gently with a spatula while cooking to help fillings bond and create crisp edges, flipping once when golden. If cheese needs more time, finish in a low oven for a few minutes, then rest briefly before slicing into wedges to prevent filling spill. Serve with salsa and guacamole for contrast, and sprinkle cilantro for a fresh note.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.